using to clean their hands and this is
Just trying to make sure that you get a full meal, okay, Mr. Khan? Healthy meal with a balance. So we have your vegetables, your protein, your oils. So we have, for today's dinner, we have some curry chicken with carrot and potatoes. I have mashed potatoes, some broccoli on the side, and a rainbow salad. So in the rainbow salad...
That's only a Mr. Khan.
Oh,
Mr. Khan must eat, you know.
Yeah, he will eat. So in the rainbow salad, it's just a hint of, it's a balance. We made sure not to put any salty seasonings or preparation, and also we just want to make sure it is halal.
And we use all grown season.
Yes, all natural seasonings. So the only powdered seasoning we used was curry. Everything else was all ground and organic. Good for your health. So enjoy. If there's anything that you'd like us to let us know, if you would like any more. Yeah, Mr. Khan.
That's it.
This don't look at this one. You know, when you say that's it, I feel
Bon
nervous.
appétit, Mr. Khan.
Sorry.